Welcome to Broke Tech Fix. Today we will see what's inside the DCF601 cordless screwdriver from DeWALT. The DeWALT DCF601 is an inexpensive but a very good quality cordless screwdriver. It has a 15 clutch setting, which I find to be the most sensitive and precise compared to Bosch and Milwaukee. In fact, I use this screwdriver a lot in my electrical repairs. Clutch setting number 1 or 2 is most suitable on RC toys with tiny screws and home appliances with metal screws on plastic threads. This model I got is a Korean variant. However, even after searching in forums, they say that the DeWALT products manufactured for the Korean market basically have the same specs, materials and components like those of DeWALT tools being sold in Europe and in the US. Okay, enough of the talking, let's go ahead and open this up. The clamshell case is being held by size 10 Torx screws. I only use this for precision electrical repairs, but I can feel it is powerful enough to drive 4 to 5 inch screws into wood. This cordless screwdriver features a true stepless and precise variable speed trigger control. That is why this tool is highly rated by electricians and installers. No need to remember what hole each screw should go to, as all of the screws have the exact length. I missed one screw. At the back of the brushless motor, we can see a Hall sensor board. This is the reason why DeWALT have a very precise speed trigger control. I believe almost all of their modern power tools use sensored brushless motors, making these tools as true stepless variable speed trigger. The cheaper AliExpress no-name brand brushless tools don't have Hall sensors, they instead use a stepped speed control. They just program the motor speed based on a specific trigger position. Brands like Skill and its sister brand Devon don't have Hall sensors in them, they just use finer speed steps to make it appear that they are stepless. We can see how good the internal components are. The speed control board is fully potted to protect the SMD components from vibration, moisture and dust. The capacitors are solid aluminum caps, the same type of capacitors that you would find in gaming PC motherboards. These type of capacitors are rated for longer life and higher temperature. Underneath the silicone potting, we see 6 MOSFETs, suggesting that DeWALT used 2 MOSFETs for each of the 3 motor phases. Now that's a short overview of what's inside the DeWALT DCF601 cordless screwdriver. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like more of this kind of content.